Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Today is a Saturday and this beautiful beast is here with me. This is the Mercedes AMG GLC 43 Coupe. It is the first AMG to be made in India. It's the first performance car to be made in India, which makes me really happy because I'm always routing for Make in India, Made in India. That's really awesome. So for the next 2 days I'm going to be driving this car. I'm going to be doing a quick tour of this car with you guys to tell you why it's so special, because once I got into the throttle I was like mind blown.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds.
So right now I'm just taking some photos with this car. It's beautiful. It looks really rad in this paint shade. Of course it has to, because it's a Mercedes at the end of the day, and it sounds also pretty good. Quad exhaust, none of them fake here. Absolute real stuff happening, because Mercedes actually does fake exhaust, which they have not done with this car, which is actually a very nice thing. And can you hear it? The air was flowing right on me, the warm air. काम करते हैं आज, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करते हैं, कल चलाएंगे गाड़ी, क्योंकि अभी मुझे व्लॉग जो करना है. राइट नाउ इट्स 7 o'clock एंड आई वाज जस्ट ड्राइविंग अराउंड द कार टू गेट अ गुड इंप्रेशन फॉर टुमारोज व्लॉग. आज बिल्कुल व्लॉग शूट नहीं हुआ. मैं बोल रहा था कि मैं वॉक अराउंड करने वाला हूँ, वॉक अराउंड नहीं कर पाया बिकॉज द लाइट वेंट डिम एंड बिकॉज आई शूट ऑन सुपर वाइड नाउ नीड्स गुड लाइट टू शूट. सो वो कल होने वाला है, एंड कल थोड़ा बिजी डे भी है बिकॉज आई हैव सम एरंड्स टू रन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वंस, which I'll tell you in the future vlogs why it was so important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get up at really early, like 6:30. आज का एडिट भी बाकी है, कंटाल आ रहा है एडिट करने में, मतलब पता नहीं कौन से जोन में चला गया हूँ मैं. बट दैट इज़ द सिचुएशन राइट नाउ. कार लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली रैड एट नाइट. आई लव द वे मर्सिडीज हैज डन दिस एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग, बिकॉज एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग इतनी अच्छी और प्यारी है ना इस गाड़ी में, बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. 64 कलर्स एंड ऑब्वियसली अरे ये फॉग हो गया यार, एसी से बाहर निकलो ये चालू हो जाता है. लाइट इज सो ब्राइट. गुड नाइट, गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज. ओके, last night was a lot of fun driving this car, but now it's time for action because now I need to shoot the vlog. थोड़ा बहुत टेंशन है because मेरे पास टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं है. गाड़ी है लेकिन I need to go out for some real important work, which obviously मैंने बोला आपको बाद में कि vlogs में बताऊंगा. Prepared, all set to go. Walk around नहीं अंकल because light dim हो गई थी, but अब सब कुछ करना है छोटे से टाइम में. Today is a Sunday and I was like, oh my god, I have to get up so early. But once I got into the AMG, once I buried the throttle, trust me, I'm in another zone of freshness. So जो लोग बोलते हैं ना that a car can't make you happy or can't change your mood or transform your zone, forget it. Driving AMG, trust me, it does it. Because मैं इतना खुश हो गया, it's like I don't know what has happened to me. The vlog went very nice, did some really kick-ass launches and the sound, my goodness, it's still ringing, the cracks and the pops. अभी वॉक अराउंड करते हैं, बट से थोड़ी बहुत और चीज़ें बाकी हैं, वो सब फिनिश करेंगे. फोटोशूट भी करना है, इसलिए आज वाइट जूते पहन के आया हूँ, थोड़ा कुछ अलग हो जाए. उसके बाद आई थिंक खत्म. बहुत जल्दी हो गया आज. ओह माय गुडनेस, व्हाट फन ड्राइविंग दिस कार. द स्माइल ऑन माय फेस जस्ट डजंट गो. आई डिड नॉट स्लीप लास्ट नाइट प्रॉपर्ली, बट आई डोंट फील द पिंच एट ऑल. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू आर लाइक this engine is absolute bonkers. Trust me, absolute bonkers. The way it performs, the sure-footedness and the directional changes, just stellar. Yeah, the steering could have been quicker, the brakes could have had better feel on the pedal, and yes, the ride could have been more supple. But who really cares? It's an AMG. It performs like it should. It absolutely flies. Okay, fine. What are we talking? The taste of the pudding lies in the eating. So here we are right now, stopping, getting into sport cluster. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. This is so orgasmic. The way this car performs, absolutely stellar. What a machine. Now obviously the pricing is going to be attractive, but still 90 lakh rupees is a lot of money for a performance car. Actually not a performance car, you can call it an entry level performance car, because the GLC is the smallest car in the Mercedes portfolio in terms of SUVs. Okay, I'm not including the GLA and the GLB, but it's kind of on the smaller side. But that said, I'm so happy. I never thought a 43 could make me so happy, but this 43 is absolutely making me go in love with this car. Now I'm going to get into manual gearbox mode. Okay, check this out. I love this cluster. I love how easy it is to operate. 12.3 inches in size. Okay, this is a 10.25 inch. I think those sizes are very much standard. Hey Mercedes, She likes to
How
talk
may I help you?
Engine data. Okay, let me agree. The BMW system is just faster, but hey, she's still learning right now. And you see all the data. Again, the throttle there, it's showing me how much power and torque is being used. Now you know it makes 520 Newton meters of torque, and the power output is, well, let's just find out. So here we go. Right now, I'm on manual gearbox. Just see the way it goes. Okay, here. Okay, there's no race start, but still, I can't keep up with gear shifts because this TCT is a torque converter transmission, 9 speeds, fantastic, what a machine. Woo! I can do this all day, all night and never get bored. Especially of that exhaust system now, cracks on upshifts, pops on downshifts. What a machine, what a machine. I love you AMG, I absolutely love you. Sorry M. Finally done with almost everything. I feel sleepy walk around baki hai, lekin almost everything is done. Look at the sweat because air conditioning off, left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator, launch control not there. But still, I hope you guys like this small preview of this beautiful car, the Mercedes AMG GLC 43 4MATIC Coupe. Mercedes ke sab cars ka naam itna lamba ho gaya na, it's kind of weird. But if you like this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's a like button and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye bye.